To use the new GPS features in MVN, you will need a GNSS antenna. GNSS standing for GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo satellites. Seen here is the antenna and patches needed to fix it to your Link suit. The standard Xsens Link body pack is currently equipped to work with an antenna after a firmware update. The ideal location to place an antenna is the shoulder, ensuring that it faces upwards towards the sky for best signal quality. The direction the antenna faces should remain as constant as possible throughout recording, so it's recommended to fix to the torso of your actor. Place the patch on the shoulder just above the Velcro of one of the shoulder sensors. Once your patch is fixed to the suit, place the sensor upon it. Feed the antenna cable through the inside pocket of the suit to keep all cables tidied away during recording sessions. The antenna screws into the golden receiver on the body pack. Take care fixing the cable to the body pack, ensuring that it is screwed in securely. Now we are ready to set up a GNSS session in NBN.